Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first video of the year. Now this year we're going to do something slightly different. We're going to start a series of videos where we give you a behind the scenes look at the business of Auto Finesse. We're kicking 2024 off in the right direction. Now if you've followed us for a while, some of you will remember that we head out to Germany and set up our own warehouse there around about a year ago. Well, we've been tied up in red tape ever since, and the project has taken way longer than we first anticipated. But today is finally the day. Second day back at work, and we're jumping on a plane. We're heading over there. Some of our team have already driven across, and we have some new members of staff based in Germany that are going to help us there. So we're about to hop on a flight, head over there, press that button for go live.
Extreme rain warning affected area ahead. Please proceed with caution.
It's all right, I'm in a Tiguan, mate. Get through everything. So we've landed here in Germany, we've picked up the rental car and we're making our way down to our depot here in Germany. It's about an hour's drive. Hopefully all of our systems we have in place. We've spent absolutely ages trying to refine what we've set up in the UK and do it even better here. Fingers crossed it all works. We're going to find out when we get these first orders loaded up.
I heard man when I chat and chit. I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze and sprint. It's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you want to rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to the kid. Shout out skull when I splat out wigs. Never seeing X's with your eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid.
Welcome to my ABBA queen.
Wow. So welcome to Auto Finesse GmbH. Today is the day we're setting it live. We've just arrived. George has been here for the last couple of days. He's done a wonderful job of keeping it all clean for us. We've got a few little gremlins to sort out so we can print those out, book them in with the courier, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the first orders will be leaving here tomorrow to go to our customers. I've got a bit of work to do on the promotion side. I've got a few people to contact, help us out, get the word out, spread the word that we're live. But for now, I'll leave you with some outtakes of us getting on doing what we do best.
Okay, this right here, this so fire.
I have here in my hand the first ever order through on our new European website. So I'm gonna get it loaded, and because it's the first order, I'm gonna throw in a few cheeky extras. Oh, hold on, no. Yeah, compounds and polishes, that makes sense altogether. People are going to be watching this going, you've walked past it, turn around. Right, so the order would fit in there, but I want to give him a load of extras. And the amount of extras I'm going to give him are not going to fit in there. I'll load this up. It's not got citrus power. You need citrus power. Can't go wrong with a bit of shampoo. I'm going to treat the guy. My favourite wax. Yeah, applicator's good. Pack of applicators. He hasn't got glass top, and he has got crystal. Pack of that. Pack of those. Pack of those. That's what you get for supporting us from day dot. Won't all fit now, look. And there it is, our first ever order from our new German website. Quick fire tour of the gaff. Obviously products come in this end, come off of the pallets, go here. These are actually, it might look like chaos, but this is organised. We know where everything is, there or thereabouts. George does anyway. Product stored here, then gets put onto the shelves in smaller amounts. These are just our pick shelves, quick and easy. You can just grab what you need for an order. The main bulk of the range is down this aisle here. Polishes are on the far side. Got accessories on the lowers. Over time you learn where things are, it just becomes natural. Our pick and order list is actually quite special as well, because it should send you one way, so you shouldn't go back and forward on yourselves. Down beneath us, which I'll take you to now, speed ramp. we have the offices. I think I've showed you guys these before. Meeting room in here, and then the main offices here with my amazing big fancy rug. Very happy with this rug. When I measured it up, I was like, get a massive rug. And then it turned up and I was like, okay, yeah, I may have gone too far with that. So if you are going to order and you want to try us out and you want to see if we're any good, now is the time. If you're in Europe, jump on the website, place your order. You may get me loading your order, or you might be luckier and get Jules to load it, and you'll actually get it in time, because it'll take 2 to 3 working weeks if I do it. Here we are then for our first day operating from our new EU hub. We set the website live yesterday afternoon, and we spent the evening as a team watching where customers were coming in, viewing the website from, and a few orders came through as well. We've now got to print those off of our system end to end, load them out, print the labels out. Hopefully our DHL guy turns up, picks up our first orders from here. We'll be shipping them out today. I've got a little bit more work to do in letting everybody know that this place is now up, running and operational, and that you can get your products from here and get them pretty much the next day or within 2 days if you're a little bit further afield. So I'm going to get on because there's quite a lot to do, and I'm only here for 2 days.
Now we taxing, way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way I could be out here living like the villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it. If you coming for my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead, and there's some things I had to hurdle. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Hey! Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, windows down so all the haters see me. Back then they didn't want me, now they wanna beat me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleazy. Always knew I had to glow. I just had to find a reason. Walking around looking like I own the place. I don't waste no food, man, I always finish off the plate. Ain't come to play. Trenches, baby, can't believe we made it safe. Something out of nothing, yeah, we made a way. So hungry, think I overate. Every single shot, then I'm thinking John Wick. Every loss got a lesson, every make got a miss.
So it's been a cracking first couple of days here for the launch of our EU website, and things have gone quite smoothly. I wouldn't say it's been perfect. There's been a couple of little gremlins, but our friends in the community have come together, dropped us messages and let us know. Mainly on the translation side, we are relying on an app for that, and we have adapted it, but there's still some work to do there. So if you do notice anything, drop us a comment below and let us know, and we'll get on it. All that's left for us to do now is load up a few more of those orders, and then we're hopping on a flight and heading over to another country where Auto Finesse does quite a bit of business, and we'll be showing you what we're doing there. Until the next one.